Outstanding design defines the 2020 Jeep Wrangler. All of the premium features expected of a Jeep are offered, including a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, skid plates, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Call now to schedule a test drive.